Seeing everything as one, we all need to start realizing that we originated from the one energy, one source. This source simply mixes up the foundational elements to generate differing expressions of the only one essence. Living as truth, we will need to tell the truth all the time, whatever the circumstance. We must see the truth in everything and speak the truth about what we see. We should never hide from and always see and unfailingly tell the truth. We must learn that self-deceit and deceit of others is non-productive for the collective society. Unity of thought, word, and deed. As an extension to the previous idea, we should learn to think, say, and do the same thing. It is easier said than done, but with practice we can achieve this. Thought, word, and deed needs to be in harmony. Transition to self-regulation. As we become more awakened, we need to transition from a system of justice and punishment to self-regulation. The idea is simple. Do not have a thought regarding anyone, do not say a word regarding anyone, and do not do a thing regarding anyone that you would not want thought, said, or done regarding you. Letting go of the idea of insufficiency. There is always enough of anything you think you need to survive when you know that you can't not survive. Our true self is eternal. When survival isn't the question, the idea of sufficiency or insufficiency doesn't have any meaning. Think abundance. Releasing ownership. This leads us to the next point. Since we now understand that we are all one, everything that exists belongs to everyone that exists. It sounds controversial at times, but as we awaken, we do not consider it profitable if we benefit at the expense of another. We will learn to not consider it acceptable even if we win while another loses. No one benefits unless everyone benefits. Embracing sharing. With the release of the idea of ownership, we now then move to share everything with everyone all the time. It's not that hard if you look at it. At present, we make it work all the time in our own limited way. We share everything within our circle of family and friends. All we have to do is expand this to the entire community. A little expansion goes a long way. Living in love. Finally, we all must experience and express unconditional love for everyone. This is a love that is not selfish, but it's selfless towards everyone and everything without a condition attached to it. It is a boundless, limitless love, the ultimate energy pulsating in the whole universe. When we align ourselves with such an energy, everything flows effortlessly.